Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Onlyfans or OF. So first go to the Onlyfans website. Since Onlyfans is an 18 plus platform, only users who meet the age requirement should use it. If you are eligible and already have an account, select log in. And once you are inside, you'll be taken to the home tab where you can see the main feed and the main navigation menu on the side. So the home tab is the main area of the website. This is where posts, updates, and account activity can appear, and on the left side you will see the different tabs that help you move around the platform. The notification tab is where alerts and updates shows up. This can include account activity or reminders from the website. The messages tab is used for direct messages inside the platform, and collections can help organize saved or group content depending on how the account is being used. Next, the subscriptions tab shows the accounts that a user is following or subscribed to. The add card section is connected to payment settings, so this should be handled carefully and only by users who are allowed to use the platform. My profile is where account details, profile information, and settings can usually be viewed or updated. And lastly, the more tab gives you access to extra options such as settings, support, privacy tools, and other account controls. So overall, the main thing to understand is that most of the navigation happens from the side menu. Always check the rules, protect your personal information, and only use platforms that are appropriate for your age. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.